Okay, so today we're going to be talking about decimal addition and subtraction. Now, when you are doing decimal addition and subtraction, it is important to always line up your decimals. So I'm lining them up so the decimals are in the same order right above each other. Then I just add like normal, and I can bring my decimal just straight down. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Meaning my answer is 74. I might actually want to bring this decimal down a little bit more. So my answer is 74 and 94 hundredths. Okay, so this one. Now I'm going to line my decimals up. And if I look, they don't completely match up, right? So anywhere that there is a number missing, I add a 0. Okay, because those are always represented by placeholder zeros. Now once I've lined up, I will bring my decimal down. And then I can add. 0 plus 8 is 8. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 9 plus 0 is 9. So I get 95 and 118 thousandths. So this one, I line them up. Again, if I have an open spot, a 0 will go there. I'll bring down the decimal. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 9 is 12. And then 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So I get 82 and 11 hundredths. Sorry, there you go. 82 and 11 hundredths. Okay, so let's look at the next one. So we have 2 and 5 tenths and 6 and 915 thousandths. Again, we need to add placeholder zeros. And then we will add normally, bring down our decimal. Then add normally. 0 plus 5 is 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry the 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. So we have 9 and 415 thousandths. All right. So now let's look at some subtraction. So subtraction, we line them up the same way, making sure our bigger number is on top. Okay, bring down our decimal and subtract like normal. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 9 minus 1 is 8. So we have 86 and 1 hundredth. Next, we have 93 and 4 tenths. And 54 and 84 hundredths, making sure, again, we line up the decimals. Then I put a placeholder 0. Then we subtract like normal. Now, I can't do 0 minus 4 because I can't take away 4 from 0. So I need to go next door and borrow. We're going to make this a 3. And then come here. And this is now a 10. So then I'm going to do 10 minus 4. And I get 6. Go next door. Now I can't do 3 minus 8. That's not going to work. So I need to go next door to this 3 and borrow. Make this a 2. And then add 10 here from what I borrowed. And this is now 13. Well, 13 minus 8 is going to be 5. Again, make sure our decimal is carried down. I almost forgot to do that. Now I go next. Now I can't do 2 minus 4, so I need to go next door and borrow from my 9 and make it an 8. And then come and add 10 to my 2 to make it 12. And then I would do 12 minus 4, and I would get 8. And then finally, I do 8 minus 5, and I would get 3. And my answer would be 38 and 56 hundredths. Now, looking at this one, we have 245 and 2 tenths, and 24 and 3 tenths. Again, we're going to add placeholder 0 wherever there's an open spot. I can't do 2 minus 3. Oh, sorry. First carry down my decimal. Forgetting. Okay, I can't do 2 minus 3. So I need to go next door and I'm going to borrow from this 5 and make it a 4. Come back and I'm going to add this and add 10 to here. So I have 12 minus 3 now, which is 9. Next, I have 4 minus 4, which is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So I have 220 and 9 tenths. Finally, I have 98 and 43 hundredths minus 25 and 78 hundredths. Now, if I'm, again, make sure decimals are lined up, bring down the decimal. Okay, so looking here, I can't do 3 minus 8, so I need to go next door and borrow from this 4 and make it a 3. Then I'm going to add 10 to this 3, and it's going to be 13 now. 13 minus 8, as we know, is 5. Then I have 3 minus 7. Well, I can't take away 7 from 3, so I'm going to go next door and borrow from this 8 and make it a 7. Then I'm going to come and add 10 to this 13 and make it, or the 10 to this 3 and make it 13. I would do 13 minus 7. And when I do 13 minus 7, I get 6. Okay, then come in next door. Now I have 7 minus 5, which is 2. And 9 minus 2, which is 7. So my answer is 72 and 65 hundredths.